Okay, so now we want to do our loop. And one thing I'll mention is that we don't have to do these in so many lines. I think it's better practice, but we could say today split, and then we just want the result of zero there. And so we can cut that down a little bit. We could cast this first one to a string. And this is in some ways what's called code golf. Now, generally, I would say it's much, much better to have more lines of code that are more readable than to have fewer lines of code that are harder to read or harder to understand. Admittedly, once you get more advanced, having more than one operation per line can be okay and readable. But to start with, I'd really recommend splitting these into individual lines like I had before. So I'll hit